Stalling at a traffic light or feeling your car shake roughly while idling is incredibly frustrating, especially when it happens intermittently. If your check engine light is on and you have scanned the code P046D, your car is telling you there is a glitch in the exhaust gas recirculation, or EGR, system. Specifically, the A sensor circuit is acting erratic. Let's talk about why this matters. Your EGR valve has a very specific job to do. It takes a small amount of burnt exhaust gas and recirculates it back into your engine's intake. This might sound counterintuitive, but it actually cools down the combustion chambers to prevent harmful pollution called nitrogen oxide. The computer only opens this valve at certain times, usually when you are cruising at a steady speed. It relies on a sensor to tell it exactly where the valve is positioned. When you have this code, the computer is getting a messy signal. Sometimes it is high, sometimes it is low, and sometimes it cuts out entirely. This can cause the valve to get stuck open when it should be closed, which is what causes that terrible rough idle or stalling. If it gets stuck closed, you might hear a pinging or knocking sound from the engine when you accelerate. The good news is that you can often fix this yourself. The most common enemy here is carbon buildup. Over time, soot from the exhaust cakes onto the valve and the sensor, stopping it from moving smoothly. Start by popping the hood and locating your EGR valve. Check the electrical connector first. Look for green corrosion or loose pins. Clean that up and reseat it. If the wiring looks okay, unbolt the EGR valve carefully. Look inside the ports. If it looks like a chimney full of soot, get some carburetor cleaner and a brush. Scrub that carbon out until the little plunger inside moves up and down freely. If you drive a Ford, pay special attention to the two small vacuum hoses connected to the pressure sensor near the back of the engine. These are notorious for getting plugged solid with carbon. Use a small pocket screwdriver to gently clear them out. Often, a good cleaning is all it takes to clear the code and get your engine running smooth again without spending a dime on new parts.